Hey, welcome to this video. Thanks so much for watching. I'm going to share with you the top 5 expenses to cut right now during COVID-19. This is to help you save money. Before you freak out, watch the whole video. Hear me out, okay? Listen to the logic throughout, all right? Number 1, your car insurance. I know you're on lockdown. I know that you're stuck with being inside. Everyone is. But if you have 2 cars in the driveway, you should cut it down to 1 car. My wife and I, we have 2 cars in the driveway. We got 3 kids, so there's 5 of us. So we have 2 cars, but we looked at the situation. Kids are not going back to school. It's obviously going to be like this for another few months. So we cut it down to 1 car. Saved $150 a month, okay? Don't do any scams. You don't need to like call and fake anything to your, home and auto insurance guy. Just bring it down to 1 car. They have a very minimal type of protection, which costs like $15 a month, called fire and theft. Put your car under your garage, under a canopy, in your garage, or like, at the butt end of your driveway. That's what we did, so that it's protected from, just theft and fire, and nobody's going to hit it, right? And so it's safe there, and even if you don't have 2 cars, use this time to revisit and review your car insurance. Lots of them you can do online. You can shop around online. There's some that will populate quotes for you. So number 1 should be car insurance. Not a lot of people doing driving. Cut it down, reduce it, and if you got 2 cars, definitely cut it down to 1. Should be no problem there, okay? And you can renew it later when this whole thing picks up again, right? You can bring it back up if you like. Number 2, your phone plans. You are home most of the time, which means you can do pretty much everything on your Wi-Fi, on your internet, on your home router. So you don't need that much data on your plan, okay? You maybe want to cut out long distance calling because you're not doing that. Just reduce your text message plan or your data plan. Just reduce those plans. If you have 2 plans, consider putting it under 1 plan, right? You and your spouse, or you and your partner. You consider going under to one plan as well, or using 1 plan as one phone as the major one and 1 as the smaller one. Also, if you have kids, hey, in times of crisis, you got to cut back. They've got Wi-Fi, they've got internet, so kids should be fine. Yes, I said it. Yes, I said it. Reduce your phone plan if you need to, okay? Because you're home and you're using the internet, and the internet's not going anywhere. All right. Number 3, beer, wine, alcohol, and liquor. Seriously, who are in my province in Canada, we call it the LCBO. Who are they staying open for? They're staying open for the alcoholics. They're staying open for those who really need it. They haven't even reduced their hours. Okay, every time I drive by, there are lineups at the LCBO, the Liquor Control Board of Ontario. So who are they staying open for? Well, they've said that they don't want to cause riots. They don't want to cause panics. So they want to keep everything status quo. Well, now may be a good time to reduce your beer, alcohol, wine consumption. Get into more healthy habits. You have so much time on your hands, then you can get into, better quality habits, right? So reduce that cost. This may apply to some of you, may apply to none of you, but why is it an essential service? It's not. It shouldn't be. It doesn't have to be. Alcohol is destructive. It's obvious. Sure, a little bit here and there if you like, I understand, but there's a lot of people I know that are really into health that are completely cutting it out, okay? Number 4, this will be more primary and more of a priority for people. Reduce or consider stop ordering altogether Uber Eats, Skip the Dishes, and DoorDash. Save your money, okay? You pay a premium to get it delivered. You can still do takeout, by the way. You can still do pickup. Many of these places, pickup and takeout is still possible. You just walk in, drive up, take a bike ride, go for a nice walk, and you can do pickup yourself. So I had a client last year, we looked at her financial statements, her bank statements, her credit card statements. She was spending over $600 a month on Uber Eats and Skip the Dishes. And it kept saying, skip the dishes, skip the dishes. And I was like, listen, let's call her Sandra. Sandra, listen, you can't do this anymore. You have to do the dishes. Do the dishes. Don't skip the dishes. Doing the dishes means you're getting money in your pocket, okay? You're keeping money, you're saving money. So use this time to try new recipes, experiment, try new things with your family. Bring back old family recipes. Bring back your favorite family recipes. Call up grandma, call up aunts and uncles. Find those recipes, try them, do them together. What a treat. And of course, use this time to be with your family. Throw some music on in the background, some Sinatra, some Michael Jordan, some hip hop, Michael Jackson, whatever you like. Honest to goodness, you can do this. Keep your money. Now is the time to save. Now is the time to invest, actually. Now is the time to double down. right? A lot of great deals in real estate are going to be coming up very, very soon. A lot of great deals in stocks, a lot of great deals in all sectors, because whenever there's a crash, there's always a boom right after. So anytime there's a dip, there's always an upswing right after. So you want to save your money to capitalize on that, okay? And the last one, sort of similar, number 5. I owe this one to my wife, Jessica. Thank you. She says, apparently due to boredom, a lot of people are spending online, so online shopping. So number 5 is online shopping. Guys, we got to cut this out. You know, you get these small little dopamine hits, these little gimmicks that you buy, these tchotchkes, these little random things, just kind of justified, what do they call it, retail therapy. So beware of online shopping, okay? They target you with Facebook ads for little impulse buys, 20 bucks, 40 bucks, 100 bucks, 200 bucks. Unless it's an investment in yourself, really don't consider doing it right now. There's no need to buy clothes right now. Nobody's going out. Nobody's got a show anywhere or show up anywhere. Nobody's got anybody to impress. So just consider, honestly, cutting back on the noise, cut back on the online shopping, okay? And it is proven that Facebook sells your data and your privacy to other companies. They pay for that data and they pay for that information, so they bombard you with ads. I don't recommend even using, you know, like your traditional browser on your phone or your laptop or your tablet. I'm going to put a link to a great browser that I use in the description, and it blocks the ads, okay? So you never have to worry about ads again. And actually, this one pays you, so check this out. They pay you for using the browser. How cool is that? You can earn money just by doing everyday things like scrolling and browsing, okay? So look in the description for that. That's it. 5 things to cut during COVID-19. Cut those expenses, cut them down, reduce them, or cut them off entirely. This is the time to invest. It's not the time to wastefully spend. It's definitely the time to invest. Put more into your TFSAs, put more into your investments, lock in the growth, lock in the gains. Get some online courses as well. Invest in yourself, okay? Hope you enjoyed the video. Share in the comments. If you have any other ideas to save money, let us know in the comments. If you thought this video was helpful or useful, then please like and subscribe. And as always, sharing is caring. See you in the next video.